Good morning, students. Now, today we are starting with our chapter number 24 of English grammar, that is making adjectives from nouns. Now, in this chapter, we'll study how we can make adjectives from the nouns given to us. Fine. There are many ways to make adjective from given nouns. Like the first way is by adding y at the end of a noun. And there may be a change in spellings also while making adjectives from nouns. Suppose the noun is air, and if we add y at the end of the noun, it will become airy, and airy is an adjective. In the same way, bone is a noun, and if we cut this e and if we add y, then it will become bony, and bony will be the adjective. Fine. In the same way, might, mighty, craze, crazy, mist, misty, fault, faulty, and so on. So in this way, we can make adjectives from the given nouns by adding y, and at times we have to cut that extra e at the end of the noun and add that y. Fine. In order to make it an adjective. Another way of making adjectives from nouns is by adding ly at the end of a noun. Here, annual is there. If we add ly, then it will become annually, and annually is an adjective. Same way, merry, we have to cut this y and we have to add ily at the end so that it will become merrily, and merrily is an adjective. Same way, week, weekly, day, daily, gust, gustily, order, orderly, home, homely. Like this, we can make adjectives from nouns. Another way is by adding ful at the end of a noun. Fine. Like beauty, beautiful. Here we have to replace this y with iful so that it will become beautiful, and beautiful is a adjective. So beauty, beautiful, joy, joyful, cheer, cheerful, power, powerful. Like this also we can make adjectives from the nouns by adding the suffix ful. Also we can make adjectives from nouns by adding suffix al, like accident, accidental, al we are adding at the end. Commerce, commercial. Here we'll cut this e and we'll add ial so that it will become an adjective, commercial. Music, musical. Occasion, occasional. See the spelling of occasion, always single s is there. Students and even adults mostly spell this word wrong. So note down the spelling. occasion is occasion, and if we make it an adjective, then we have to just add al at the end. We can also make adjectives by adding suffix ous at the end of a noun. Like advantage, its adjective will be advantageous by adding ous at the end. Melody, melodious. Courage, courageous. Mischief, mischievous. Space, spacious. Like this we can make adjectives from nouns. Another way to make adjective from noun is by adding suffix ive, like abuse, abusive. Here we have removed this e and we'll add ive so that it will become an adjective. Abuse, abusive. Response, responsive. Division, divisive. Fine. Now by adding suffix able also we can make adjective of a noun, like charity, charitable. Here we will remove this y and we will add able at the end so that it will become the adjective of the noun. Fashion, fashionable. Tax, taxable, and so on. Another way to make adjective from noun is by adding the suffix ic or al, like climate. If we remove this e and we add ic, then it will become climatic. Climatic is an adjective. Same way, economy, it has two objectives. Economic also we can write, and we can also write economical. If we make it economic, then we have to remove this y and we'll add ic, and if we have to make it economical, then we'll remove this y and we add ical, economical. Fine. In this way we can make adjectives from the given nouns. Now come to the exercise 1. Exercise A is make adjectives from the following nouns. Here nouns are given to us and we have to make adjectives from these nouns by adding either of the suffixes that we have discussed earlier. Like shade, it will become shady, fine, by adding y as suffix. Expense, expensive, by adding ive as suffix. Innocence, innocent. Center, central. Home, homely. Faith, faithful. Like this we can make adjectives from the given nouns. I hope you understand this exercise, and you can do also. Now come to the exercise B. In exercise B, we have to fill in the blanks with the adjectives from the nouns given in the brackets. Certain nouns are given to us in brackets, and from these nouns we can make the adjectives that we have to fill up in these blanks. Like Mumbai is a big dash city. Here the noun is given to us industry, and we can make the adjective from industry is industrial. Then Mumbai is a big industrial city. In the same way, the mango is a dash fruit, and the noun given is season. So from season we can make an adjective seasonal, so that it will become mango is a seasonal fruit. Like this we can do this exercise. Now come to the third exercise. In third exercise we have to rewrite the sentence again by using the nouns which are given to us, by converting those nouns into adjectives. But the meaning should be same. Meaning should not be altered or changed. Fine. Like first we take this example. The height of the tree was 30 feet. Here what is the noun given? Noun given is height, and we have to make this noun an adjective, so that it will become sentence, the meaning of the sentence will remain the same. Like the tree was 30 feet high. Fine. In the same way, his behavior was that of a villain. Here the noun is villain, and we have to convert it into an adjective, and the meaning of the sentence should also remain the same. His behavior was villainous. Fine. Now take another example. The leak in the roof caused a lot of trouble. So it will become, if we use trouble, if we convert this trouble into an adjective, then it will become the leak in the roof was very troublesome. Like this we have to do this exercise. Now I hope this exercise is clear to you, and also the chapter. If you need any help while doing the exercise, you can take from the examples given in the chapter. Fine. Now complete this chapter. Only 3 exercises are there, A, B and C. Thank you and have a nice day.